guys, and welcome back to our channel. Today you are back with just me. So this one is for my team Mariams out there. Woo, woo, woo. Today I am back with an unboxing video. I've never ever done any of these videos in my life, so I'm back today with a little bit of a dedicated video because it's a really good brand, and I just wanted to show you guys a few bits. It's just dedicated to people of different nationalities. I stupidly left the magazine at home, which is not the best thing. So I stupidly forgot my copy of the magazine, but I did really enjoy reading it. From all the fashion and lifestyle tips to like getting my hair and beauty fix. So it's even better because you get to learn about some of the biggest African celebrities around the world. So it's pretty much got everything you need. So this is what I got. So I'm just going to open the box and show you guys what I got in it, because I haven't actually seen the stuff. So I'm just going to give you guys my box. But it's a really cute box. It's not too big, it's not too heavy. So even if you get it on your way out, you can take it in your bag. So I've got long nails, so please excuse if I struggle to open this. First of all, I got a little oh, so cute. So I got a little message in there saying, "Hi Mariam, hope you enjoy your beauty box. Thank you for working with Glam Africa magazine." So that's really sweet. I love when I get PR packages, or if I get any kind of package, I love when brands leave a little message. It's just sweet. Even if they have to write to every single person, it makes you feel like they care about you. It makes you feel like they wrote that for me, you know? That's how it makes me feel. I've got quite a few bits in here actually, which is quite nice. So you can see it's not just one or two things. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 things in here, which is, I think that's good. That's really good. Okay, so first thing I'm gonna open is this. This is the African honey and lemon facial scrub. First of all, this is gonna be good points because anything for the skin and you put in a beauty box is perfect, because getting stuff for your skin is expensive first of all, and also it's just a hassle. It is a hassle. So for the fact you get one of these, it's very sweet. So this is it, and it's from Derma Organics. Organics. So basically it's how it looks. So this is what I got. Absolutely love it. This is what it's called. I'm gonna open it up. Oh my god, that smells amazing. It smells like lemon and honey. It smells like tea, you know, like lemon and honey tea. This looks like, you can tell this is like a handmade scrub. You know how some brands, they hand make it. I can tell this is one of those, which is quite good. And oh my god, I can't wait to try this. This is quite exciting. It says for oily to acne prone skin, so I would put that on my neck because I get loads of spots there, and I've learnt that facial scrubs help on my neck. Removes dark skin cells and promotes even skin tone, so perfect. Can put this on my chest, but this is a good thumbs up for me. This is cute. I'm gonna try that. Guys, they put Cantu in the box. Cantu is a very popular brand. Girls that have curly prone hair, Cantu is amazing. Coconut curling cream, and this is a very good size, and it fits in here, which is even perfect. I think it's a cute little size. And it's good to have beauty brands, you know, you pay monthly for like these beauty stuff, but if it doesn't actually fit and cater to you, what's the point? You know, so this caters very well, so this is cute. I've got KeraCare leave-in conditioner. You can never go wrong. Do you know what, yeah, this is actually very good because I always wear weaves, like all the time. Like literally all the time I wear weave. So every now and again when I take my weave out, I'm like, crap, I don't have, and I want to wash my natural hair, I'm like, crap, I don't have shampoo and conditioner for my natural hair. Like I'll have loads of LV conditioner and shampoo for my weave and my wigs to condition that, but I always think, crap, I need to go far, like to a black hair shop, to go get conditioner and shampoo for my hair. But when you have little things like this, I'm like, oh yeah, I've got a little like mini version, and once again fits in a box, so this is good. Very happy about that. Going on hair, I got some ACS all shades covered hairbands. This is really good because I don't actually use these kind of hairbands, if I'm being honest. I saw loads of people using it and I just thought it was a trend, but it's something to try out. So while these are quite good, there's things in there you don't actually know what it is, and you haven't actually tried it, you get the chance to try it. So say goodbye to bad hair days. So clearly it's a hairband. Next thing I got is Carron Cosmetics Lip Impact. So anything makeup is points and bonus points for me because I love makeup. What I love is the fact that in the box you get brands that you've never heard of, so you get to try new things without having to, like, you know, spend, because that's my thing, is like, even though I see people review stuff, even though I see people do stuff, I'm a bit like, but it might not work on me, I don't want to spend the money. So when you get a free sample or a mini version of it, you actually know, oh, I can try it now, I haven't spent money on it, and you've actually tried it for free. Now you think, yeah, worth it, I'm going to get a bigger version or get the full version. So this is quite fun to play with. Let's see what this is. So basically it's a compact lip liner, like it's a compact lip liner. Oh, so I think this is in the shade brown. Right, it's a lip liner. I'm not gonna lie, I'm probably gonna use this for my eyebrows. It's like gel. I'm gonna try it here. Oh, I'm gonna try a little bit. It's like a brown, so my lips are nude, so I don't think it's gonna really make an impact. It's quite good actually. I like the brush as well, because I find, ooh, yeah. Yeah, this is a good one. This is a good one. This is cute. I would probably try this as an eyebrow pencil, I'm not gonna lie. Really cute, really small. So I'm probably gonna research into that brand now. Khase, what is this? Khase matte liquid lipstick. Perfect, because it's autumn coming into winter. It's gonna be matte lipstick season, so perfect. And ooh, oh my god, how vibrant is this red? I have never ever done like a proper bright red. I always go for the darker browny purple side red, but I'm gonna just test this on my wrist because I want clear lip gloss, and I don't want to, just in case this stays on for like days, I don't want to have it on my lips, but I'm gonna show you like that. Raw, that is bright, very bright, very pretty colour though. I think it would suit me with the right lip pencil, the lip liner suit me, and additionally is additional lip gloss to the collection. So if you guys are collecting, it's perfect. And I got an Iman. Oh, I love Iman. I love Iman. I've tried their stuff before, their pressed powder, but I've got this little nice Iman highlighter illuminator. I'm not gonna lie, I've got one like this, but not this colour, and I use it here, and sometimes when I'm doing like a oil, like not a mattifying look, I mix it in my foundation. So like, yeah, it's a stick, so I do like that on my face, put my a light layer of foundation, a little bit of highlighter, highlight there, lip gloss, and I'm done. So this is a good shout. And additionally I've got a second one now, so I'm gonna probably end up having it in the Iman collection. I'm sure there's gonna be probably 3 shades, and it's always good to have more, because I can give this to someone as a Christmas present. There we go. I got a Bea Skin Hydrating Eye Mask. Oh, lovely, lovely jubbly, okay. I love when I see people wear these on tutorials, so I get to try it. I get to try one of these, and the eye mask is good. It tells you the ingredients, it tells you the directions. So this is cute, little stuff to add in your skincare routine. And even better is they gave me the leaflet for the African face scrubs. It tells you the ingredients, and it's 100% organic, and it tells you what to do. So yeah, I'm actually really happy with that, like shockingly happy with that. They had, I think the box has a lot, of like different stuff, makeup, skincare, and just like hair, and I think it's just perfect for any of you guys, especially that are starting on makeup. It's a little thing here and there, so it's cute, I like it. So guys, this beauty box is free. So when you buy the Glam Africa's yearly subscription, which is £14, you get a new magazine every quarter, and this includes free delivery and this beauty box with all these goodies in it. So there's no direct debits, it's just one payment for the year. So you're winning, really. You're getting way more products that are worth way more than how much you pay. So it's a done deal, really. So that's pretty much it. Like, I really hope that was all right. Like, it's hard because it's like a short video, and it's it's dedicated to a box of goodies. Sorry, I like smudged it on myself, which is not good, but yeah, typical Mariam. But I really hope you enjoyed that. Thank you for clicking and watching. Thanks to the team Mariams out there. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one, and you'll probably see Warren in that one too. See you later.